Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 20th of March. The euro recorded gains as the European Financial Stability Fund managed to raise €1.5 billion from the auction of the introductory 20-year bonds. They were priced 115 base points higher than the benchmark swap rate, attracting almost €4.8 billion of orders. This auction was successful according to the EFSF CEO Regling, enhancing the market's belief on Eurozone's financial firewall capacity. The Greek Finance Minister Venizelos offered his resignation to lead his party in the forthcoming elections, expected to be held within the next 2 months. The outcome is extremely important as a new government may lack the political strength and willingness to stick to the stringent austerity measures. Against the US dollar, the single currency rose to 132.28 from 131.73. Versus the Japanese yen, the euro recorded a 5-month high at 110.56, opening at 110.30 and closing at 109.86. Japanese banks closed today in observance of the vernal equinox day. The US dollar was softer as comments by Federal Reserve Bank of New York President Dudley heightened risk appetite. Dudley, a known ally of Fed Chairman Bernanke, painted a mixed picture suggesting recent data points to the recovery gaining speed but warned that the recovery remains fragile nonetheless. Versus the Swiss franc, the US dollar dived to 0.9117 from 0.9158. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rose to $107.83 from $107.28 a barrel. Gold opened at $1,663.37 and closed at $1,663.15 an ounce. Against the euro, gold dipped to €1,257.39 from €1,260.18 an ounce. Silver rose to $32.88 from $32.63 an ounce. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point at 131.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 131.85. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 83 with a preference to enter into long positions at 83.05. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 105.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.50. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 158.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 158.25. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.99 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.99. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 106.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 106.90. The gold pivot point is at 1652 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1652. And the silver pivot point is at 32.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.20. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK Consumer Price Index month-on-month for February, forecast to rise by 0.5%. UK Retail Price Index month-on-month for February, forecast to rise by 0.6%. And the US Build Permits for February, expected at 0.69 million. Now onto equities, we saw the FTSE was down 0.07%, the DAX was down 0.05%, and the CAC was down 0.47%. In the US, the SP 500 was up 0.40%, and the Dow was up 0.05%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.12%, and the Hang Seng was down 0.68%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.